Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to use the graph view in Obsidian to see how your nodes are interconnected. The graph view is useful when you want to see how nodes link to each other through internal links, and identify nodes with no connections. It's also useful when you want to trace how ideas, projects, or tags cluster together. To activate the graph view, you can simply click on this icon right here. As you can see, Book 2, Book 1 and Data View has a link between each other. Let's for example create a link between instructions and instructions 2. Click on instructions, then right click anywhere and click add link. Choose instruction 2 and yeah, you are done. Go back to graph view, and as you can see, we have a link between instructions 2 and instructions. You can also play with the graph view settings, such as the display. You can change the text fade, the node size, and the line thickness. You can also play with other settings such as the center force, the repeal force, link force, and link distance, until you get the desired display. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.